Operationalize the pedagogical methods and then profile dimensions. It will depend on how we instruct. So the first point is instruction. How are we instructing the learner? Is it by lectures? Is lectures so intensive? Are we forced to give notes? So we give plenty of notes for the learner to make sure they get what you are trying to tell them or teach them. So using these processes, we are trying to actualize, operationalize the pedagogy and what? Profile dimensions. We can also push the learner to make their own notes. You push the learner to make their own notes, and that is the fundamental idea behind what we call participatory teaching and learning. Then we also operationalize pedagogy and profile dimensions using exercises and homework. Assignments that are given to you are used to operationalize pedagogy and profile dimensions. Along this, what I'm trying to say is that the kind of exercise and homework given to you is dependent on what the teacher wants to achieve. So if the homework, the assignments are all what is defined, explained, those are all what? Based on knowledge, understanding, and best of all, application. It will not move into the higher order profile dimensions, as I mentioned. You won't get analysis in what is. You won't get synthesize in what is. For example, if I ask you what is matter, you will not analyze, you won't synthesize, you will not evaluate. It will not push you to create. But if I should give you a different form of assignment, determined to achieve the higher order profile dimensions, you will see analysis in that assignment, you will see synthesizing in that assignment, you will see evaluation in that assignment, and also find your push to create in that assignment. Another operationalizing point of pedagogy and profile dimension is class assessment task. Now, this class assessment task is a mandatory aspect of our curriculum as Ghanaians. There should be no school in Ghana that have no idea about what we call CATS, class assessment task. It is a set of assessments run every term, and they are 12. Very, very technically determined, coined to develop every learner in the country. At the end of the first month, the learner is supposed to be taken through some kind of test. At the end of the second month, there should be a group exercise that will help them to appreciate working as a team. At the end of the third month, we go back to our class test to see what you have developed so far. Along this, there is a fourth class assessment task, which is why we are here, and that is called the SBA project. The SBA project, the reason why you are here, is a mandatory aspect of the curriculum. That every term, every child from class 1 up to ECCH 3 undertake full project work and come up with tangible outputs. And that explains the last one in operationalizing pedagogy and profile dimensions, which is project work and long-term activities. So we can use this to actually what? Operationalize pedagogy and profile dimensions.